Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on Luma 17. This video is actually a suggestion video. In the comments area I was told, well, suggested to show you how to uninstall the Tmodloader. So I'm just going to crack into it really. It's really simple and it's never going to mess up your world. Just like I said in the last video, just make sure you've backed them up, just in case of anything, which is never going to happen. Anyway, all you want to do is go into your Steam. You want to go into your properties, local files, browse local files. Here comes up your Terraria install directory, not your worlds and your players. Anyway, now, as you've seen in my other video, I've shown you how to install. And as you see, this symbol has changed, meaning this is the Tmodloader symbol. And let me just close this down quick. And this is your vanilla. So, I've accidentally clicked on that, I didn't mean that. But that'll load up now. Brilliant. Well, all you have to do is literally delete or whatever, Control A. Just delete everything from here. It's really simple. Just delete all of it. And this doesn't matter because I accidentally launched it. Here we go. All of this should delete very soon. I've got a lot of things in it. If it just deletes, or an alternative, right here it is. All of it's deleted. But an alternative is just right clicking and uninstall. Delete it. It won't delete any of your worlds, and you've got them backed up anyway, so no problem. But I'm going to cancel this. It literally does the same process and just removes it from there, and you'll have to reinstall it. Now all I'm going to do, now that the files have gone, all the Tmodloader files and except from one, that's the only one that stays in I think, but the rest doesn't matter. Now you just want to hit play on your Steam or like double click on the icon. Now this error will come up. Don't be scared of this. See, it says missing executable. Now that's basically your Terraria.exe folder, file even, and that's what we deleted to get it back to what it is. You just want to hit OK. This isn't going to corrupt anything, and I just want to hit play again. It'll start updating Terraria and installing it again. It's just a fresh install. It, depending on your internet, I'm on Virgin, it takes about 9 minutes roundabouts, like it says there, and it's depending on your internet, it takes as long as 30 minutes I'd say to install Terraria again. Well, that's about it for the video. You've successfully uninstalled Tmodloader. If you want to do the process again, I just advise you to keep a file where you've got all the mod stuff. So I'm going to keep it at vanilla for a bit because I'm not in the mood to play modded really. But yeah, that's about it guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys, it's been Loomis. Peace.